This is going to be returning air pressure, rapid cycling on my well. I'm tired of trying to find the big Allen thing. I couldn't find it this time, so I had to improvise. But now I'm going to go ahead and weld this together so I will never have to find that Allen key again. The big one. It's so hard for me to find when I need it. I've already opened up the tank and let it drain out. Well, I had to make sure my thing was going to feed. All right. All right. Gotta make sure I don't mess up the threads. Whoop. Whoop. A little fire. I think that'll work. It's hot. 7/8 now. I'm going to plug it up, and then I'm going to turn the pump back on and let it fill back up. Still hot. Ow! Hot, hot, hot. I think I got a good weld on it. It was on D, the hottest. All right, looks pretty good. I might eventually take this part off, but I don't know. All right, gonna turn the pump back on. All right, then you just let it fill up, and this is the way that it repressurizes itself. Um, I had to run this during some freezes, and I think that's where it had lost some of its air cushion. There's supposed to be an air cushion in here that helps it to not when it starts rapid cycling, the pressure is off, and so this is the way to restore the pressure to where it works like it should. You can see it's starting to build up pressure here. What it will seem like in your house, it will be surging. It will in your pressure just won't be as strong. This will give you a good even pressure. Okay, right now it's about just about 15, so.
Gonna be about 20. Ouch, about 20. It is now about at 30. And I think it should turn off about 40-ish.
I think maybe about 50, 52. You want to get this good tight. You don't want any air coming out of here. Just stop. Yeah, about 52. I'm going to turn some water on here. And that was good pressure. And it hadn't kicked on yet. I guess it kicks on about, yeah, it's kicked on. Alright, so this is just about done. When you drain the tank, if you don't have any other way of getting air in, taking that top bolt out is the quickest way, but it's hard. I mean, you got to have a really big Allen key. And like I said, I can't ever find mine when I need it. So. All right.